Pat, you are welcome. You are welcome. Pat, you are welcome. Pat, where are you viewing from? Type where you are viewing from. Type where you are viewing from. Where are you viewing from? Type where you are viewing from. Where are you viewing from, Pat? Yes, Shana, you are welcome. Where are you viewing from? So, we want to look at this topic, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Now, chemistry is the chemistry of carbon and its compound. Chemistry of carbon and its compound, except the chemistry of carbon and its compound, except carbonate and what? Except an oxide. Chemistry of carbon and its compound, except carbonate and oxide. The chemistry of carbon and its compound, except carbonate and oxide, is called organic chemistry. It's called organic chemistry. Are you there? Are you following? Are you following? Drop on the platform you are following. Are you following? Are you following? Beautiful, beautiful. Shana, where are you viewing from? Is it India? Okay, Hong Kong. Shana, how about you? Where are you from? Shana, where are you viewing from? Now, the chemistry of carbon, okay, Pakistan, beautiful. The chemistry of carbon, and its compound, except carbonate and oxide, is what we call what? Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Now, this organic chemistry, we are going to look at what we call hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Because this is third class, I'm not going to look at all the properties of carbon, because carbon has the ability to undergo catenation. Carbon has the ability to bond with each other by a single bond, by a double bond, by a triple bond, and form a long chain. It is only carbon that has that potential. Of what? Look at carbon, 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 and so on. It is only carbon that have the of forming a long chain carbon chain like this. Do you understand? Any other element they don't have. And this same carbon has the ability to form a single bond with itself, has the ability to form what? A double bond with itself, has the ability to do what? Form a triple bond with itself. So carbon is very unique. Very, very unique. Beautiful, beautiful. So carbon has the ability to form a single bond with itself. Carbon has the ability to form a double bond with itself. Carbon has the ability to form a triple bond with itself. Other elements such as oxygen. Oxygen can form what? A double bond with itself. Nitrogen can form what? a triple bond with itself. Nitrogen cannot form what? A double bond with itself. Nitrogen cannot form what? A single bond with itself. Oxygen can form a double bond, cannot form what? A single bond. Oxygen cannot form a triple bond, but for carbon have the ability to form a single bond. Look at a single bond, double bond, and triple bond with itself, and also have the ability to work to form a long chain. Look at carbon, even to 13, 14, 20, 25, 30, 35. All those one is what is so unique. So we are going to look at hydrocarbon, hydrogen and carbon. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you for the likes. Benson, you are welcome. Any question you can ask. Any question we can ask. So can we proceed? Let's go to hydrocarbon. How you can name a compound? Can we proceed? Very good. I'm going to teach you homologous series, by the way. Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Now, let's look at what we call, sorry, my body is bad. Now let's look at what we call homologous series. Homologous series. We are going to look at homologous series. Okay, thank you. Okay. No, carbon has the ability to form a long chain. Carbon has the ability to form a long chain. Do you understand? He has the ability to form a long chain. Not that he has produces a different carbon. No, he has the ability to form a long chain. Now, if you look at homologous series, the first homologous series is what we call alkane. This alkane has a formula of what? CnH2n plus 2, and have a functional group of what? One single bond. We have what we call alkene. Alkene has a functional a formula of CnH2n, and what has a functional group of what? Double bond. We have the next one, alkyne. Alkyne has a general formula CnH2n minus 2, has a functional group of triple bond. We have what we call alkanol. Alkanol has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH, and has a functional group of
Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call. Someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call. Someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call. Someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please.
Can we proceed? Can we proceed? If you wish to support me, you can as well let me know. If you wish to support me, you can as well let me know. So we also have what we call alkanal. Alkanal has a functional group of what? CHO. This one alkyl or called aldehyde. Alkyl or what? Or aldehyde. We also look at alkyl.
Your call, someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call, someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call, someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call, someone is calling. Mr. Ojen Mike, please pick your call, someone is calling. Mr.
Who is that now? This one has a formula of a functional group of what? CHO like this. But then this one can be expressed as this one can be expressed as, sorry, this one is what? CO. This one can be expressed as, in the case of this one, that is how it can be expressed. So it has a functional group of this one. This one is different. This one is different from this one. They have the same functional group, but this one can be expressed as, look at C. Oh yeah, and what? H here. Are you following? Why this one can be expressed as C O H? This one can be expressed like this. Why this one can be expressed like this? Oh. Are you following? Are you following? House. People are not serious. No, let me end my life. Fine, sir. Please, fine, sir.